Example number 5. A hexagonal pyramid of side 30 mm and axis 60 mm long is resting on its base on HP, and one of its base edges is parallel to VP. Develop the lateral surface. So here in this question we are having a hexagonal pyramid of side 30 and axis 60, and it is said that it is directly resting with its base on HP. So it will mean that the top view is going to be a simple hexagon, and the front view will have some triangles because it is a pyramid. And you need to make sure that one of the base edges is parallel to VP. And here it is mentioned develop the lateral surface. So first we will see its explanation part. On your screen right now, there is a hexagonal pyramid. As you can see, I am rotating it just to show you its six faces, and the top view will be a hexagon, as you can see, with the longer edges also visible. So these are six longer edges, six faces. I am deleting them now one by one. So now you know that it is made of six triangular faces. We already know that, but here we are assuming that it is not solid, it is hollow. For this reason I have shown you. So now I will extract one faces one by one. So you can see that now I am taking one of the faces. I will bring the other face and I will make them to lie on the same plane. As you can see, now they are not on the same plane. I'll just rotate it somewhat. So now you can see that they are on the same plane. Same plane means they are like a paper now. They are together. So I will bring one more face, triangular face, and I will align them together here. They are not aligned. They are not on the one plane. They are attached, but they are not on the one plane. Now I will make them align. Observe yours. Observe it. Now, so these three triangular faces are now on the same plane. As you can observe here, slowly the surface is getting developed of the hexagonal pyramid, and now I will bring in the fourth triangular face, and again I will make them to align, and these are four triangular faces. I'll bring one more, and I will align it with these four triangular faces. See, this is the development of surface of a hexagonal pyramid, as you can observe the faces on your screen right now. And here you go, the sixth face. Don't worry about that base, we can delete that. So this is your final solution. This will be the final development of surface, and you just imagine that if you refold it, if you fold it, then again it will form a hexagonal pyramid. So this is the final solution, and we have to draw this in the drawing sheet. Now you see that when I undo all the things, I can easily imagine the hexagonal pyramid again. The base edge is parallel to VP. I will draw the straight line first in this fashion, and then I will complete the hexagon, which will be our this completes our top view. Again, the projection lines.
So now for this development, this is similar to our cone and the first problem of cone and also the second problem of square pyramid. So I will take point anywhere here. I will start drawing from here. There is no rule. We can draw anywhere in the sheet, but it should be nearer to our base diagram. So as this is the slant height, I'm going to just draw a semicircular curve. I don't know the length. I don't know nothing. I have just taken one point and I am drawing this with radius, this 4 dash and O dash. After completing this, from the center point, I will join this first point, which is actually my first point. This is the first point, and as you know that the distance is 30 now every time. As we did with the square pyramid, we are going to say measure 30 mm here or anywhere from the scale 30 mm. Now we'll cut some arcs. One, two, three, four, five. This is 6. This is a hexagonal pyramid. I am taking only 6. This is second point, third point, fourth point, fifth, sixth, and this is 1 again. So we need to just join this in this fashion. Now these are looking like 6 triangles. If we open the surface of hexagonal pyramid, we will get 6 triangles as we have already seen. This is your point O. Hence your figure number 5 is completed.
So this is the final solution of example number 5, hexagonal pyramid directly resting with its base on HP. So here you can observe 6 triangles in the surface developed. These are 6 faces of this hexagonal pyramid as we have seen already. And the top view here is with one of the base parallel to VP. This is not necessary here, but this is the final solution. So you need to make sure that this is correct for a question of development of lateral surface.